If you want to disable a Chrome extension without removing it completely, this video will show you how. This is useful if you're troubleshooting browser issues or simply want to stop an extension from running temporarily. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the browser window. From the menu, hover over Extensions, then click Manage Extensions. You'll now see all of the extensions currently installed in Chrome. Find the extension you want to disable. Underneath it, you'll see a small toggle switch. If the switch is turned on, simply click it once. The toggle will change from blue to gray, which means the extension has been disabled. Don't worry, the extension hasn't been removed. It's still installed, and you can turn it back on at any time. If you ever want to re-enable it, just return to the Manage Extensions page and click the toggle again. It will turn back on immediately. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can quickly disable or enable extensions in Google Chrome without uninstalling them.